In this video, we are going to talk about Mars into the sign of Pisces. If you want to know more about Mars in the sign of Pisces, keep watching. Namaste and welcome to Vedic Astrology channel. I'm your host Prasad Mahazani, help you raise your vibrations and become your true self with the help of Vedic Astrology. And if you're looking for readings and consultation, check out the link into the description section and go for the intensive complete horoscope analysis. Now, Mars, we are at the last stage of the Mars into the sign of Pisces. First, what is Mars? We all know what Mars energy is like. Mars is aggressive, competitive, enterprising, and he is the one who takes initiative. Okay, he always takes initiative. He is the one who is disciplined and action oriented, independent, goal getter and go-getter energy. So Pisces is the sign ruled by Jupiter. The lord of the sign, Jupiter, is a great friend of Mars. So Mars is comfortable in the sign of Pisces. But this is different than Mars in Sagittarius. Sagittarius is also ruled by Jupiter, but that is a fire element sign. Now Pisces is an water element sign ruled by Jupiter, which is about emotions, spirituality, and it is the dissolution of the self into the ultimate source energy. Remember, Pisces is the 12th house. It has the 12th house energy, which is what? Dissolution of the self, surrender of the self to the universe. That's why it's the house of loss, but it is the house of loss to the self. It is the house of moksha. It is the house of spirituality. And it is the house of loss of energy more than anything. And now it has Mars placed in it. We'll talk about Mars in Pisces later. Let's talk about Pisces. It is ruled by Jupiter. We talked about it. Next thing to look for Pisces is it is a water element sign. Water element signs are emotional signs. 4 at 12 are emotional signs. Cancer is about the purity of the emotions. Then Scorpio is about the intensity. And Pisces is about the universal compassion. It's about giving everything to the universe and dissolving yourself into the ocean of the divinity. That is what spirituality is all about. Okay, so yes, this is emotional and intuitive sign. Next thing to look out for is it has a dual nature to it. Dual signs are 3, 6, 9, and 12. This is the 12th sign, and it has the duality. Dual nature of the sign is when it is joining the cardinal sign and the fixed sign. What is the cardinal sign? Aries. Which is the fixed sign? Aquarius. And Pisces is joining these two signs. That's why it has the dual nature. That's why it has both the fixed nature as well as the moving nature to it. Okay. So yes, this is about the sign of Pisces. Now let's talk about what happens when we have Mars into the sign of Pisces. The planet of energy comes into the house of surrender. Okay, these people invest their energy in spiritual practices. These people enjoy doing yoga, enjoy doing any kind of physical activity like asana or yoga or any kind of energy exchange for a spiritual cause. Okay, another thing, Mars is the planet of the passion, and the sign of Pisces is the deep ocean. So we often find these people very difficult to know their true self. So no matter how close you are to this person, there is some element of surprise, some element of hidden nature to their personality. Okay, and they don't show their passion because it is under the ocean. Another thing to look out for Mars into the sign of Pisces is these are somewhat cold people. When I say cold, we talked about it as a passion, but even they don't show love quite often. They have their own unique way of expressing their love. Now it's the challenge with their partner to understand them. Okay, so this is also important. Another thing for the Mars into the sign of Pisces is it it can also make a person quarrelsome. Why? The sign of Pisces has the 12th house energy to it, and now the planet of aggression, competition, all these things are coming into the 12th sign. Okay, so you might waste your energy in quarrels. You might waste your energy in unwanted arguments with people. Okay, so you have to be careful with this. On the other side, or on the extreme of these signs, you can also see a person who is very cold with the emotions. They don't show their emotions anyways, but that when Mars is into the sign of Pisces, it goes to the next level. Now let's talk about the nakshatra. The sign of Pisces has 3 nakshatras. The first is the last pada of the Purvha Bhadrapada nakshatra, which is into the Cancer pada. And then we have Uttara Bhadrapada nakshatra, which is ranging from 3 degrees 20 minutes of the Pisces to the 16 degrees 40 minutes of the Pisces. And it has 4 padas. The first pada of the Uttara Bhadrapada nakshatra is Leo, second is Virgo, third is Libra, and fourth is Scorpio. The first pada of the Uttara Bhadrapada nakshatra ranges from 3 degrees 20 minutes to 6 degrees 40 minutes, and it's Leo and it's ruled by Sun. The next pada is from 6 degree 40 minutes to the 10th degree of the Pisces, and it is ruled by Virgo. The next is 10 degrees to 13 degrees 20 minutes, ruled by Libra. Fourth one is 13 degrees 20 minutes to 16 degrees 40 minutes, ruled by Scorpio. Okay, and when Mars comes into this nakshatra of Uttara Bhadrapada, it does extremely well into the first pada of the Uttara Bhadrapada and the fourth pada of the Uttara Bhadrapada. Okay, and in the third pada of the Uttara Bhadrapada, when it is into the sign of Libra, it works well, but now it is into the sign of Pisces and into the pada of Libra. So it is good for artistic pursuits, but when it comes to relationship, they have to put in more passion. Okay, next is Revati Nakshatra. Revati Nakshatra is ranging from 16 degrees 40 minutes to the 30 degrees of the Pisces sign. It has 4 padas. The first pada is Sagittarius, second pada is Capricorn, third is Aquarius, and fourth is Pisces. First pada of the Pisces sign, Revati Nakshatra, goes into the Sagittarius pada, and it is ranging from 16 degrees 40 minutes to the 20 degrees. Second pada is from 20 degrees to 23 degrees 20 minutes, and it falls into the Capricorn Navamsha. Third is 23 degrees 20 minutes to the 26 degrees 40 minutes, and it is into the Aquarius pada. Next is the fourth pada is from 26 degrees 40 minutes to the 30 degrees of the Pisces. Okay, and here Mars becomes Vargottama. When it goes in the fourth pada of the Revati Nakshatra, it becomes Vargottama. Just like here, you can see in this chart, Mars is into the sign of Pisces, is into the nakshatra of Revati, and now in the Navamsha as well, you will see this in the sign of Pisces. It becomes Vargottama. Okay, so yes, this was Mars into the sign of Pisces. As much as I could hold grasp and share with you guys. If you want to know more about Vedic astrology, these 2 videos on your screen will help you to dive deep into Vedic astrology, sending you tons of positive energy, sending you high vibes. See you in the next videos. Love and peace. Namaste.